In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Biometrics and Password. Then choose Face Recognition at the top right corner and enter your current login method. Click on Enable Rise to Wake to turn it on or switch it off and hit Get Started. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. When you finished, make sure that Unlock option is enabled. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your smartphone using face recognition. Manage all of those however you wish. And now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!